Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you're doing absolutely fine. So the good news is that we are going to start a new series. Now, this series is all about, giving you updates on the latest job opportunities that are coming your way. This job opportunity can be from variety of sectors. So the good part is you'll be able to get the the knowledge of these kind of opportunities real time, almost on a daily basis, because I'll try to make it as frequent as possible. Now, since I'm going to start this series, I'm going to start it with the sector in which I'm currently working and I'm more close to. So, almost 70% of the requests that I receive on a daily basis are from people who are looking for job opportunities for the role of a business analyst, consultant, product owner, right? These kind of roles, or architects, right? Business architects. So these kind of roles actually almost resonate or almost are very close to each other. So today we are going to talk about some new job openings which I have come across, and it will be very beneficial for you to take up these jobs. These are work from home opportunities for now, and all the companies are going to provide you all your assets right away at your place. So there's definitely not an issue on that side. So let's get started. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe right away, because you don't want to miss on the job opportunities so soon. Okay, so let's get started with the first one. So the first one in the list is Virtusa Consulting. Now they are looking for a business analyst who is having 6 to 10 years of experience. The salary range they have given is close to between 9.5 lakhs per annum to 16 lakhs per annum. The location they are hiring for this particular role is in Gurugram, Chennai and Bangalore. What they are looking for is an individual who has experience in the field of banking and finance. He or she should have a minimum of 3 to 4 years experience into regulatory reporting domain, and must have knowledge about the different regulations across geographies. So that is something that forms part of this requirement. So the link to the job application is provided in the description box. So straight away you can go there and click on the link and apply. So there are some links which are directly on Naukri, and you can get them right away there. And there are some links which will direct you to the company website. So do check out and create your profiles and apply it over there. Coming on to the next one is from a company which is very close to me, that is mytree. The experience they are looking for is someone between 8 to 12 years. It is of a senior business analyst, and mostly they are looking for someone who has experience into payments, right? Preferably MX, Swift, right? So you should be able to understand what's an MT103, what's an MT202, all those things you should be able to understand. And the location they are looking for is Bangalore. The salary they are offering is 7.5 lakhs to 15 lakhs per annum. The third one is Fable Healthcare. Now, this is a company which mostly focuses on creating innovation in the healthcare sector. Now, the experience they're looking for is between 3 to 5 years. The salary range they have is 5 to 15 lakhs per annum. The location is Bangalore, and they are looking for someone who can work closely on a strategic level. Since it's a mid-sized company, so mostly you need to work closely with the senior leadership and help them take strategic decisions. The next company, or the fourth company, is Nest Technologies. The experience they are looking for is 4 to 7 years. This is also a role of a business analyst. The salary they're offering is 8 to 10 lakhs per annum. Location is Pune and Bangalore. So what they are expecting is an ideal profile of a business analyst. So you should have experience as a BA. You should have experience into Agile. You should know how to prioritize requirements. The last company is ransted. So the location they are looking for is Gurgaon and Bangalore. The package they are offering is between 16 lakhs to 22.5 lakhs. The experience they are looking for is 4 to 9 years. And for this, they specifically want someone who has capability to analyze big data sets, and that is a pure requirement. Apart from that, you also need the basic business analyst skills in order to apply for this position. So make sure that all these job openings that I'm talking of, the links are in the description box. Do check that out. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to come soon with my next set of job openings. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.